Hello students, today's topic is regression. Okay, earlier we studied correlation. Now today we know what is the difference between the correlation and regression. So correlation versus regression. As you all know, correlation means just to find the relationship between the two variable. If the different values of x and y's are given to you, okay, a set of data of x and y is given to you, suppose 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, suppose here 4, 6, 7, 10, 15. Suppose these are the values given to you. So you know how to find correlation. There are two ways. One is mathematical, another one is graphical way of finding correlation between the two variable, which is called simple correlation, just because we are studying two variable here. So it is a simple correlation, and we can use either a scatter diagram method or Calculation coefficient of correlation to find the relationship between these two variable. Either they are positively related or negatively related, or zero correlation is there. Okay, we can find easily. Now what is regression? Regression means in regression analysis we do the prediction part. Okay, it is a regression means the average relationship between the two variable x and y is called regression, and regression analysis means to estimate the average value of one variable for a given value of other variable. If suppose here 14, for 14 you can predict the value of y, which is estimated average estimated value. Okay, or for a given value of y, that means suppose this value is given 18, so what will be the value of x for a given value of y, which is 18. So we can do the prediction or estimation part in regression analysis. So regression help us to estimate the value of, okay, average estimation of or estimate the value of one variable for a given value of other variable. Suppose x value of 14 is given to you, you are asked to find the value of y, and sometime if you are given the value of y, which is 18 here, suppose, yeah, so what will be the value of x? So this part we can do with the help of regression analysis. Okay, so it help us in estimating the value for one variable for a given value of other variable. Okay, so for that, for regression analysis, for estimation, first we need to find an average relationship between the two variable, then only we can predict. So we need, for prediction we need a mathematical relationship between these two variable x and y. So let us start with the assumption that x and y are linearly related in this way. So y is equal to a plus bx. This is your linear relationship. So we start with the supposition that because for prediction we must need a mathematical relationship between the two variable. So we start with the supposition this, and the derivation part is not there, but after derivation we get this equation in this form, which is y minus y bar bxy x minus x bar. Okay, so we start with the supposition that let x and y are linearly related in this way, but here we are taking x as an independent variable and y as a dependent variable. So we get this equation after derivation, we get, this is the equation of, this is called the regression equation of y on x. Okay, so this help us to predict the value of y for a given value of x. Okay, this is called the regression coefficient of y and x. This we have used as a suffix because here this b is same, this b you know slope, so that is slope here also, but we have used this suffix because here we have taken, oh sorry, here it is yx because here y first then x, so y means y is a dependent, x is an independent variable, so it is a regression equation of y on x. Okay, so and this is called regression coefficient. This whole equation is called regression equation, and this is called byx is called the regression coefficient of y on x. Similarly, why we are taking here x as a independent variable, so we need to take x as a dependent variable also. So another equation come. So let us suppose x is equal to a plus by. Okay, so again after with this we start with the supposition this, and then we get x minus x bar bxy y minus y bar. So we get this final equation which is called regression equation. One is this, another one is this. Okay, this derivation part is not there in your syllabus, that's why I am not giving this, just the equations are there. There are two regression equation, one is y on x when we take y as a dependent variable, and we get another regression equation when we take x as a dependent variable. So we get two regression equation. And why there are two regression equation? Because we are studying two variable x and y, so we get two regression equation. Okay, and the first this help us to predict the value of this give the best estimation of value of y for a given value of x, and this equation give the best estimation of value of x for a given value of y. So there are formula bxy formula is there. First we need to find this bxy and byx, these are called regression coefficient. So we need to find this, then formula is there, I will give afterward. So with this formula you first need to find this and then put here in the equation. So you will get if the question is find two regression equations, so first you need to find y bar, x bar, then byx and put the value and simplify it, you will get equation form. Okay, similarly here you need to find this bxy, formula is there. Okay, with the help of the formula you can find this regression coefficient, then put here put the value of x bar, y bar, then you get this is this as an equation. So you get two equations, one is regression equation y on x, another one is x on y. So the questions come like that. Sometimes they ask you to find the regression equation y on x, only one equation, or sometimes they ask find the two regression equation from the following data. So what you have to do, you need to write the regression equation this and then find the value of this with the help of the data. Okay, formula is there. Then you put it here y bar, you find out the up to here y bar, x bar. Okay, from this y series find out y bar, and from this x series find out x bar, and put it here, simplify it, you will get the regression equations. So this I will give afterward the formula for a regression equation of x and y on x. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the correlation and regression is that correlation, in correlation we just only we can find the relationship between the two variable, but here in regression we can estimate or we can predict the value of one variable for a given value of other variable. Okay, so for that we need first find a mathematical relationship between the two variables. So we get two regression equations which are the mathematical relation, which shows the mathematical relationship between the two variable, and this give us the best estimation of y value. If you are asked to find the y value, look here, suppose we are asked to find the y value for a given value of 14, so we use this. And for the second one, here we are asked to find the value of x for a given value of y, so we use this, because this equation give the best estimation of x variable, and this equation give the best estimation of y variable. Okay. So this is all about regression analysis. So let's we will do problems in our next video. Thank you.